Imagine yourself in this Kia 2019 Soul. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 161 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and center console, full with covered storage. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.